Sejal Dhoom is from which state?
I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Mhm. Mumbai, Maharashtra. What is your
Yeah.
native place? Is it Mumbai only or somewhere else?
So I have actually grown up in, matlab, born and grown up in Mumbai itself, but my native place it's in Ahmednagar. Like my dad.
Ahmednagar. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ahmednagar. That's right. So you are born and brought up in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Yeah.
You are a girl who is used to managing crowds, crowds after crowds. Correct?
Sorry. Sorry, sir. I did not get.
No, no, I am telling you are used to managing with crowded place because when you get
Yeah.
into
Yeah.
train, crowd,
Yeah.
get into metro
Yeah.
crowd, everywhere crowd, crowd, crowd. Oh, Baba. I really appreciate Mumbai people for managing it. But people who are used to that, they will not be happy in other places.
Yeah. I know that.
supposing, supposing I post Sejal to a village in Kerala,
Yes, sir.
a remote village in Kerala where there are only, say, less than 5,000 people living in that area. Federal Bank has opened a branch. You are posted as manager.
Yeah. Uh,
How will
I
you
think.
carry on? How will you carry on in that place? Because you are a Mumbai girl.
Yeah, it's true that I have been brought up and like raised in Mumbai, but as I have mentioned that my native place in Ahmednagar, so it's also a rural area. And I think during COVID times, I was in my native place for literally 8, 9 months. So I have enjoyed that phase also. So I think even if I'm posted in Kerala, as you mentioned, in a remote village, I don't think I will face that many challenges because I am having experience of living in remote areas because my native place I'm very much connected to it.
In what way rural life is different from urban life?
So firstly, connectivity. In my village, there are still some electricity issues going on. Luckily, we do not have that much of water shortage, but sometimes it's there also.
Mm,
And mainly electricity because when we are, let's say, working
mm,
professional or something like that, so
mm,
that becomes challenging because there is fixed time when it
mm,
comes and there are
mm,
phases
mm,
going on.
mm,
And
Then,
transport,
apart from that,
sir, transport.
some more transportation. Then you can tell the plus points also. You get pollution-free atmosphere.
Yeah,
That is
pollution
one.
free and
Pollution-free and crowdless and
yes,
peaceful life. But not all of us will like it. Youngsters, especially, you will not like it. This place, though it is urban, it is more or less like a rural area for me. Because I am inside this room only.
yeah.
And wherever it is okay for me. That is the thing. Anyhow, good. So you are Sejal. What is the meaning of the name Sejal?
So my meaning of my name is river.
Acha, Sejal means river. Can you
Yeah,
name famous rivers in Maharashtra?
rivers as such I am not aware. So
Why?
in
Godavari is a famous one, na?
I actually it came to my mind, but I thought it was like it was not in Maharashtra. That's why.
No, no, it is there. Nasik is in Maharashtra only.
Yeah, I'm not actually that much aware of rivers. Like, India
One.
has beaches. I mean, sorry, Mumbai has beaches, so I'm aware of beaches. Rivers, I'm not. That.
Supposing God comes before you and says, would you like all the waters in the world to be made into sea? Do you want it? or you want all the waters in the world to be like Godavari River. Which one will you ask for and why?
I did not get your question. I mean,
Do you believe in God?
yes.
You are not telling forcefully, that means you don't believe.
No, no, I do believe.
Which is your favorite God?
Uh, Krishna.
ठीक है. Krishna comes before you and says, I will give you two options. One, I will make all the water in the world to be sea waters.
Mm,
Other option is opposite of that. Which one will you prefer?
I think both are important, sea as well as river. But when it comes to the consumption of water for human and everything related to agriculture, I think river water is much more useful
So
rather
what
than
will you
sea
ask?
water.
What will you ask?
I think if I ask any one of them, I think it will create mishaps or unbalance. I will ask balance of
Imbalance.
both.
Imbalance, no unbalance. Imbalance.
Yeah,
I am.
so yeah,
Tell me.
I will ask for balance of both, like, because choosing one will create imbalance in nature.
No, do you think it is objective examination? None of these option nahi hai.
I think it will be
Anyhow,
difficult.
doesn't matter. It's for fun. I asked you. I know there cannot be a definite answer for this, but then I thought asking for river water will be very, very good because river water means it is very pure and it can be used for consumption or say
Yeah.
watering the fields and all that. But even now, after asking you question only, I got a doubt in my mind. Why sea water is salty? Who made it salty? Did somebody come and pour salt into it? कैसे हुआ ऐसा? This is a doubt. Anybody who has studied some geology, geography, if you can explain, that's good. Anybody is there in this group now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me why
Okay.
seawater is salty. Tell me, anybody.
Sir, because all the from all the rivers, the water will come nutrient and it will bring the nutrient and soil also along with it. So mixing of all the regions, soils and nutrient, it may made water salty, I think.
Here, Google says salt in the sea or ocean salinity is mainly caused by rain washing mineral ions from the land into water. That's what you said. Carbon dioxide in the air dissolves into rainwater, making it slightly acidic. When rain falls, it weathers rocks, releasing minerals, salts that separate into ions. Okay. It's a good point. I honestly I could not understand the way it has become salty. Now you explained it. Good.
So one of the reason is that the underground volcanoes in the sea beds also create more salts in the seawater.
Which will create more salt.
So the underground volcanoes in the seabeds
Oh,
that eruptions also produce some chemicals and salts that way also seawater is salty.
you are imagining about volcanoes underneath the sea.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are many
Hey,
plates
Baba.
and seabeds. Volcanoes and underwater volcanoes are there.
Oh, Baba, it's really problematic. Oh, thank you. Nice, nice answering. We are now talking to Sejal. Sejal, आपने क्या बोला? You have studied economics. No, no, Sri Devi. Sejal is Sejal. What is your degree? Sejal. Sejal Don. What is your degree? I think our internet has got disconnected. Sejal, are you able to hear me, Nasima?
Yes, yes. I'm so am I audible?
Yeah. Why your line was disconnected for some time? Doesn't matter. Sejal, what is the
Yes,
degree you did? What is the degree you did? I forgot to note it. Tell me.
yes, I have completed my PGDM in finance from Vivekanand Business School, and my UG I have completed it from KJ Somaya College of Arts and Commerce in BCom.
Please tell me what do you understand by NPA?
Sir, it's non-performing assets, which is basically recorded in banks. That is, if the loans which are overdue, that is not paid for more than 90 days, it is treated as non-performing assets.
What do you know about Indian accounting standards?
Uh, Sir, Indian accounting standard, I think they have mentioned the all rules of accounting process and like how it should be, how the process is to be followed.
Hmm. What any other ideas you have about it? Go through
No.
Wikipedia. Go through Wikipedia. It tells about Indian accounting standards is the accounting standard adopted by companies in India, issued under the
Yeah.
supervision of accounting standards boards, which was constituted as a body in the year 1977. Something is given here. Please go through this.
Yes, I will. Actually, accounts is something not my strong
There,
point.
there are so many points given. There is one in DAS 101, in DAS 102, 103. I don't understand what it is. I have not studied commerce fully. I know only accounting on account of our CA exams. So please go
Okay.
through that. They will ask you. Please tell me
Yes,
some points about GST.
sir. GST, it's a good service tax. It is the new tax structure which has been implemented for easy process of tax structure, and it is nothing but like CGST, SGST, which is included in that.
But you can also mention about the percentage of taxes 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. What is
Okay,
the
sir.
GST for banking services?
It's I'm not sure,
18%.
but it's 18%. Yeah,
18%. Insurance and banking, 18%.
18. Okay.
Good. Say Jal. How many
Yes, sir.
people are there in your family?
So there are four people, including me, my mother, father, and younger brother.
What
My
is
mother
it?
is sorry, sir.
What is your brother doing?
He's he's studying in sixth standard.
Only sixth standard. Oh, Baba.
Yes, there's a huge gap.
You're 12 years gap or 11 years gap. How many years gap?
It's 12 years. Like I am 2001 born, and he's 2013 born.
Hmm, excellent. I think you'll be more like what? How do you call
Uh,
Chiti in Marathi or Hindi? Poti, no, no. Mother's younger sister. क्या call करेगा?
like yeah, like I'm kind of a mother figure. You can say that I'm
No, no. Your mother's sister, younger sister. How do you call
uh,
in Marathi?
Maushi. We call
Ma-
it in Marathi, Maushi.
Moshi. Hindi also Moshi only, na?
Hindi, it would be like we call Kaki or Maushi. Hindi, I am not aware. I mean, maybe Chachi, we could call it in Hindi.
Chachi. Acha, acha, acha. Very good. So you have to be a mousy like figure for her or him. Do you take care of him properly or do you beat him quite often?
No, no, I don't actually beat him.
Yeah.
Uh, I mean, it's like a friendly bond, like not that we actually I don't realize that much that gap is there because this that generation of him, I think he's aware of all the things which we all adults do. Like, so I don't feel like he's a child. Yeah.
Acha, good. Very good. Thank you. What is the news you studied in Marathi newspapers in the last 2, 3 days?
Uh, I'm complete English medium student, so Marathi. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. English newspapers.
So recently, in Maharashtra, there is upcoming elections. From November 20, I think, and then a recent major news was the I think redevelopment of Dharavi land,
Acha, good.
and
Dharavi is,
yeah,
I think it has been given to Adanis, no?
uh, I don't know, but they have sanctioned the land of something 200 and above acres. They have been the like it is like approved by the government actually.
Excellent. I think the contract has been given to Adanis and it's a very huge contract. And
Yeah,
once that materializes, it will become a very excellent place also. But as it
yes,
is, I don't know how in Dharavi place you have slums with air condition, refrigerator, what not. Everything is there in that area. Correct? That's
yeah.
what we see in the news or some videos and all that. I don't know. I have never visited um, those such places. I was in Borivali for 2 months. I used to go to Dadar, come back, then again go to Dadar, come back. That's what. So I know only
Uh,
that. And all that I remember is how I made a wrong purchase in Dadar's platforms.
oh,
I I bought a shirt piece, I think so. Shirt piece, or was it a shirt? Shirt piece for very less amount. In those days, 30 rupees or so. But then when it was put into water, it became like a kerchief.
don't know. Like
So,
Dadar is famous for shopping. I mean,
yeah, I bought it from the pavement shops, platform shops.
oh,
This happened in the year 1978.
that's I was
You
aware.
were
I mean,
you were you were not born. Your family, parents never got married by that time. Anyhow,
yeah,
best wishes. Thank you. Do you have
yeah.
any questions to ask?
Sir, my interview location is here, Mumbai itself. But what questions can be like more for me as I'm from finance background itself?
Finance background, that's I've already given in many other interviews. So number one, what are the three golden rules of bookkeeping? Then,
Okay.
uh, what is journal entry? What is trial balance? What is trading account? What is profit and loss account? What is balance sheet? What is capital? Then, what are the items that will appear under liabilities and assets? What is contingent liabilities? What is where it will be shown? What are fixed assets? What are current assets? What are tangible assets? What are intangible assets? What is depreciation? Types of depreciation? What else that is goodwill, trading patterns and rights. Then what is ratio analysis? What is the plus point of ratio analysis? What is the negative points of ratio analysis? What is a term loan? What is working capital? Like this. Because you are a commerce student, they will ask you, how will you process a home loan proposal, gold loan proposal, car loan proposal? That's all.
Sir, I was having one doubt actually. In the new curriculum, they have not mentioned any kind of job description for this role. So if they ask me about the job role, then what
I have
answer should
given
I
you
give?
now. I have given you now.
Okay. But like what I mean, like I can say that as per my research, these are the job
No,
roles
not
I have.
research. This is not a very research and all. This is the pamphlet given by them to colleges when they go for campus recruitment. I am
Okay.
not giving it from myself. This was shared to me by another student who appeared in campus recruitment.
Yes, sir, because it was of 2021, that's why.
Whatever it is, same thing continues even now. If you want,
Okay.
I can ask latest candidate to send it, but even then, it is the same thing. There are
No,
people,
I'm having this, but
yeah,
it's not mentioned job role.
where which one
That's
you have?
this junior scale, junior management scale one. I'm
Okay.
having pamphlet, but the role is not given. They
Which
have just
pamphlet?
mentioned that.
Which pamphlet are you having?
So this new one, I think
This is the
24.
this is the advertisement, no? Advertisement. What has been?
No, sir.
Uh,
They have in that pamphlet that everything is given, the CTC, the like all hiring process, the date of aptitude test, and everything has been mentioned in that.
mhm. But
So
job role is not given.
yeah, that's why I was having confusion if I.
This it is the same role. What I have given you is the job role.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.